Hi everyone, in this lesson video I'm going to show you how to make a tassel out of yarn. So what you're going to need, of course, are scissors. You're going to need this piece of cardboard. This is what we're going to be wrapping the yarn around, and you're going to need some yarn. So first thing is I'm going to just have this little tail hanging off, and I'm going to hold that with my thumb. And then I'm going to wrap this around about 15 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that one, this piece of yarn is going to end at the bottom also. I'll take my scissors and snip it. Okay, now I'm going to set this down, and I'm going to cut a piece of yarn about like that, and I'm going to cut another one too. So I'm going to have two smaller pieces of yarn. Now I'm going to take this carefully and slide the yarn off the piece of cardboard. Okay, and then there's that loop. I'm going to take the yarn, slip it in there, and then all I have to do is tie a knot. I like to double knot it. Okay. So now I have it looking like this. So from here, I'm going to take my scissors and put them in the bottom loop. See how I have them all in there, and cut through the yarn. Now it looks like this. Set this aside. I'm going to take my second piece of yarn, and I'm going to lay that out like this on the paper, and I'm going to put this right about here. And you might have a friend hold this down for you. That might help. And I'm going to knot this so it almost looks like a little head. Knot it here, and I'm going to double knot it like that. And if I need to, I can just trim that, and there's my tassel. Now these ends here, we're going to be making some bookmarks, and later on some of the older kids are going to be making pillows, and we're going to be making these tassels, putting them on our bookmarks or on our pillow. So I can't wait to see what you do.